Hello everyone and welcome back to your own channel Crypto Guy. Today I'm going to tell you how you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum and other cryptocurrency with no fees or minimal fees, and what are the best ways, what are the fastest ways, and what are the most efficient ways to buy cryptocurrency in 2021. And if you haven't liked and subscribed my video, go to my channel, smash the like button and subscribe it, and let's get into it. Okay, so the first way how to buy cryptocurrency in 2021 is Binance. You can definitely buy and sell cryptos in just few minutes, and it's one of the largest crypto exchange. Everybody knows about Binance, but if you haven't, my referral link is down below. Register with it, and that's also help our channel. So I will tell you that how you can buy. So first, after logging in, if you come here, you can see a buy button. So there are a number of ways how you can buy cryptocurrency here. The first way is bank deposit, and if you open the bank deposit here, there are two options. First of all, you have to go and select your currency. What currency is depend upon the region and the country where you are living. If you are living in Europe, you can select a euro. If you're living in other countries, you can select. And after that, there are two ways: bank card and faster payment. In bank card, it's like 1.8% fee. On the faster, it's nothing. So you just write the desired amount, how much you want to pay, continue, and then you will have all the Binance detail from where you can, from your bank, you can send the money, and you have all the receiver name, sort code, account number, and also include the reference number. And here is all the list of that what I have been transferring to Binance, and it's working very well for me. But if you don't want to transfer, you can also use your bank card. It can be a MasterCard or Visa card, but it will take 1.8% fee. So I'm telling you 0% fee. So this is the best and first way. Second way is if you go here and check, you can also use by credit and debit card. I already told you. The third way is P2P trading. It's called peer-to-peer trading. It's a very good platform which is offering by Binance. So when you click it, you have opened this one. So there are a number of people or crypto traders are there, and you can just select what you want to buy. You can buy USDT, you can buy BTC, you can buy BUSD, you can buy BNB, Binance Coin, you can also buy Ethereum, and you can also go for DAI as well. And these are the options available what the crypto trader is offering to you, that how you can transfer the money to their account. And once the money is transferred to their account, they will release the crypto and will come to your spot wallet. But bear in mind that this is a very good platform, and Binance is acting like a escrow service or a third-party service. So it's definitely giving you some advantage, because when you want to buy Ethereum, you can just go and write how much Ethereum you want. For example, you want for 500, and then you can click buy Ethereum, and then the seller is offering you two options, which is here at TransferWise and Revolut, and you have 30 minutes to transfer it. And once you transfer it and the seller is not opening, you can also appeal, and definitely Binance ask you a proof of transaction and you will get your money. So I mean, that's a very good platform, and there are also like bank transfers and everything. This is the second option. And if you go again, is with cash balance. So once you have deposit into the Binance account, after that you can just go and buy with your cash balance as well. This is also very handy, that you don't want to go and buy by some other third party. You can just go there, and how much the cash balance you will have it, you just want to top up. Like for example, you have 500 and you want to buy BTC, or you can select all the main cryptocurrencies here, and then you just click top buy BTC, and you will get that coin in your fiat wallet. Okay, the second way how to buy cryptocurrency in 2021 is Swissborg. I will definitely recommend them. It's not a paid video, but definitely I would recommend that. They don't have a web interface. You can only use on your mobile device like Apple or Android. So you just go swissborg.com, and you can download the app from the Apple Store, or if you are using Android, you can download it from here, or you can just scan the QR to download the app. So once the app is downloaded, you can, they offer something about like 15 fiat including euro, CHF and Great British Pound, and it's a very good app. And what I like about them is that they have zero fees, almost zero fees. I mean, it's even less than Binance or Coinbase and any other platform. Here you can say zero fee. You just have to go to upgrade and premium, and you can have zero fees. But I mean, if you don't even go to premium, they also have a very minimal fees, and they are looking for the minimum. For example, you want to buy for $500 BTC, so they will go and check for all the crypto exchanges and will offer you the cheapest offer. And after that, once you accept it, definitely you can convert your fiat into crypto. And nowadays they also have another one, is called CHSP yield or smart yield. So if you have, it's a passive way to making some income. So they're offering, like if you're on stablecoin, I think they are offering about something 10%. So you just have to download the app, and then even on up to 25%. So it's on Swissborg and USD coin. So USD coin is up to 26% yield, and on their own token they also have Swissborg, and you can buy all these tokens from their app, and it's very easy. And I think in BTC, Ethereum and BNB is in progress. So if you want to save on other your Bitcoin or something, this is also very nice. And you can also calculate here, you can write how much you want to invest and for how many days, and here you can see the balance, how much you are getting. For example, you have USD, you want to spend 100 USD for 1 year, so you will get back on a normal account, you will get, the balance will be 1127. So you are getting like almost 127, or on the premium account you are getting 271 plus. And here you can see that they also have BTC reward, and I'm also leaving my invitation link at the bottom, so you can also sign in and start buying from there. So it's very easy, you just have to transfer the money in their account by bank transfer. You can also use your credit card and debit card, and after that you just buy it. So it's very simple, and they offer up to 15 fiat. That's very good, and I think definitely recommend this Swissborg. I'm always using Swissborg if I'm not using Binance. These are my two, and you can also sell it right away. So if you want to sell your Ethereum or Bitcoin, just transfer your Bitcoin and Ethereum into Swissborg app and then sell it, and it will definitely give you the real-time prices of the top 5 exchanges and give you the best deal. You can sell it, and after that you can withdraw your money in your desired fiat, and from there into your bank account. Okay, so the third and most common way that you can use Coinbase. I mean, definitely it's the least recommended way, but it's very easy. You just have to click buy or sell, and then you can just buy it from your debit card. And I mean, the only problem with the Coinbase is they have a very high fees. Otherwise it's very good, the interface is very low. For the beginners, if you want to just to buy and good exposure, you can just go and buy from Coinbase. I'm also leaving a link for it, and you can definitely go with it. But if you are a little bit pro user, I will definitely recommend Coinbase Pro. This is a more like exchange. It would be a more difficult for a newbie, but if you're a newbie, it's very easy. Just make your account, add your debit card or bank account, and then you can just buy from there. But if you are a little bit newbie and you want to save the fees, I think then Coinbase Pro is best. So you can have, once you have your Coinbase account, you can definitely sign in with the same credentials with Coinbase Pro. You just have to open it. After opening it, you can select the market what you want to trade with. So these are the Euro, Great British, or USDC. So if you want to click USDC, you after that selecting what you want, you can just go to select BTC GBP, and then you want to click deposit, and now you have different option how you can deposit it. You can also deposit Bitcoin if you want the Bitcoin for crypto address, and then you can just send your Bitcoin on this address, but be sure that it have to be the Bitcoin. And once it's there, you can buy or sell. And also same thing with that, if you want to add your currency, just go there, and then you have all the options. If you wanted to have UK bank transfer or any bank transfer according to the place where you're living, and you can continue, and you will get all their details, and you just copy the details, put in your bank account, and send it to the money, and you will get it in 1 to 2 days, and sometimes it's very instant. And you can also do UK Swift transfer, it take 1 to 3 days. And if you have money or funds in Coinbase, you can just transfer it from there, and the fees are very low. And between the transfer between Coinbase and Coinbase Pro is absolutely free. You don't have to any pay fees, because people are very worried about Ethereum gas high fee. So this is one way you can make there. And after that, once you have it, your account there, you can make a market order, limit order, stop order, and then you can place an order. And the same thing, if you want to sell it, special or anything, first you want to sell Ethereum, you can just go here. If you want to transfer from Coinbase, you can transfer from there, and it will show how much you have, and you can just transfer it from there. If you want to send it on a wallet address, this is your crypto Coinbase Ethereum wallet address, you can send it here. And once you send it, you can see your Ethereum over here, and then you can sell it just like here. And you can also select everything, the table, you can see the candle, you can see the order book, and also buying and selling history. And then you can make a market order, limit order, and just sell it. And the fees are very minimum as compared to Coinbase, so definitely I will recommend Coinbase Pro. So these are the 3 top buying platform which I will recommend. Number 1 is Binance, number 2 will be Swissborg, and third will be Coinbase if you are a new user, and if you have a little bit experience and you are easy to deal with the crypto exchanges, then definitely Coinbase Pro. So I think that's all. And also don't forget to tell me what exchange you buy and sell crypto, and what is the best option you think. Leave your comment, leave your suggestion, and leave your comment under the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe Crypto Guy channel, and if you like these kind of videos, let me know your opinion. And until that, take care and bye.